Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video, I'm looking at the Khan Academy assignment, Use the Pythagorean Identity. So I'm going to go through a few problems in this assignment and show you how I would do them. All right, let's take a look at this first problem. It says the angle theta sub 1 is located in quadrant 4, and the cosine of theta sub 1, theta 1, is 3/5. What is the value of the sine? Okay. So let's draw this out. Draw out our quadrants. Let's do a little bit better drawing of that. Bear with me. I'm not great with this tool. Okay, so it's not very horizontal, but okay. All right. Just as a reminder, this is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And right here, this is quadrant 4. And I'm going to leave a little room here because I want to be able to draw a triangle. Okay, so we're going to draw a right triangle here. And this angle here is our theta sub 1 angle. Okay, and the cosine is the adjacent side, so 3 over the hypotenuse 5. Okay, this is a right triangle. So basically we have this unknown side, we could call it B, and we're going to use the Pythagorean identity, or the Pythagorean theorem, to find that side. So I'm going to go 3 squared plus b squared. This is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? So 3 squared plus b squared is going to equal 5 squared. Okay, so let's figure it out. So 3 squared is 9 plus b squared equals 25. Actually, let me redo that 9 a little bit. So, oops. So we're going to solve for b squared, so we want to subtract 9 from both sides. So we're going to get b squared equals 16. So we want to take the square root of both sides. And we get b equals 4. But if we look at this, so we can look, this is a negative y value because we're below the x-axis. So we're really going to say b equals negative 4. So we're always going to say the hypotenuse is positive, but sometimes the adjacent side, or the opposite side in this case, is going to be negative. So we can say that the sine of theta sub 1 is going to equal the opposite side, and because it's in the negative y values, it's going to be a negative 4 over 5. Okay? So we're going to go negative 4 over 5. Let's check our work. There you go. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, the angle theta sub 1 is located in quadrant 2, and sine theta is 1/4. Okay, so let's draw out the quadrants again. Okay, so here's quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm just going to move the 2 here because we're going to be drawing a triangle. So we'll draw our triangle. Okay. Now, technically, the angle is really measured from here to here, but we can focus on this angle in here. Call it phi. Okay, so that's just a different Greek symbol, but the sine is 1/4. So we have 1 here, a 4 here. Okay. All right, and we want the value of cosine theta exactly. Now, the cosine is going to be this adjacent side, so it's going to be a negative something. So I know we're going to have a negative something. Okay, and we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to say 1 squared. We'll call this missing side, the adjacent side, b. So we have plus b squared equals our c squared, which is 4 squared. Okay, so we have 1 plus b squared equals 16. Okay, subtract 1 from both sides. Let's move this over a little bit. So we're going to get b squared equals 15. Square root of both sides. And we get b equals the square root of 15. Now, we can't really simplify the square root of 15. So our cosine of theta 1 is going to equal, remember this is going to be negative, so this is negative square root of 15 over here. So slightly less than 4, if you want to think of that as a number. So negative square root of 15 over 4 is going to be our cosine value over the hypotenuse. All right, we're going to do negative. Use this for our square root, 15. Come down to the denominator, put 4, check our work. Okay? So those are 2 problems. I'll probably do a follow-up on this because I realized it kind of started me into the thing, and I think it marked me incorrect for one that I didn't do. But who knows? Maybe I got it wrong. But anyways, I'll go do a few other of these problems in a follow-up video. Anyways, if you have any questions, leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a good day.